Hi, my name is Sarah from My Tutoring for You, and today we're going to look at odd and even numbers. By the end of the lesson, you are going to be able to explain what odd and even numbers are, and you are going to be able to identify odd and even numbers. So, we're going to be looking to begin with between numbers 0 and 10. So, let's start with 8 cookies. Now, I said to you, you would be able to explain what odd and even numbers are. Now, even numbers mean that they can be split into two equal groups equally. There are none left over. So I'm feeling generous. I'm going to share my cookies with you. So we need two piles, a pile for you and a pile for me. And we should be able to keep sharing these cookies between us so that we get the same equal amount of cookies. Now, how many cookies do I get? How many cookies do you get? We both get 4 cookies each. So 8 shares equally between two groups. So 8 is even. Let's look at 7 cookies. Now, again, I'll share them with you, but I'll only share them if we get the same amount. So I'm going to share them into two equal groups, one for you and one for me. Now, I'm not going to give you this cookie because you'll get 4 and I'll only get 3. And I'm not selfish, so I'm not going to have 4 and only give you 3. So we're going to leave that one and somebody else can have it. So 7 is odd because there is 1 left over when you split it into two equal groups. So let's recap. Even is when it shares equally into two groups. Odd numbers are when they share with 1 left over. They do not share equally into two groups. So I've got some items here, and I'd like you to get a pen and paper, pause the video, and split these into two equal groups and see if they are odd or even. So when you come back to the video, you should have written down whether 2, 5, 4, 9, 3, and 7 are odd or even. Pause the video now and have a go. Let's have a look. 2 is even because it splits into two equal groups of 1. So 2 is even. Now 5 is odd because it splits with 1 left over. Two groups of 2, but 1 we can't share, so 5 is odd. 4, love hearts, splits into two equal groups of 2. They would be 2 love hearts each. It splits equally without any left over, so it is even. 9 means that we share it into two equal groups and we get 4 each, but there is the 1 left over in the middle. So 9 is odd because it does not share equally. 3 sweets, 1 for you, 1 for me, but there is 1 left over we can't share equally, so 3 is odd. 7 bowling pins, 3 and 3, but then there is 1 left over, so it is also odd. How did you do? Brilliant job. Well done. Now what we're going to do is move on to look at the patterns. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. You might notice these are the 2 times tables. And the 2 times tables are even numbers. They share into two equal groups. So any number, if it ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, it is even. But if the number ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, it is odd. So 39, it ends in 9, 9 is odd. So 39 is odd. 88. The ones digit is 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. It is even. So you can think in your head of any number and decide if it's odd or even just by knowing whether it ends in 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, or 1, 5, 9, 3, 7. But let's test it to check. So I've got 12. Now I can partition 12 into 10 plus 2. Now we know 10 is even because 10 can be split into two groups of 5 and 5. And 2 is also even because it can be split into two groups of 1. And 5 and 1 together equals 6. So 12 is even because there are two equal groups of 6. Now, on the next screen, I have got some different items. A clock, the year, a dice, a thermometer, and a tag for money off at the shop. Can you have a look at these and see if they're odd or even? And can you find any others numbers around the house and decide if they are odd or even? Now, it doesn't matter whether there's 4 digits in the number, we only look at the last digit. So this is 6. So we only look at the last digit to help us decide. Can you work out if these are odd or even? Pause the video if you need to. Let's come back. 1025. 5 is odd, so 1025 is odd. 6 is even because it's two groups of 3. 99 is odd because 9 is two groups of 4 with 1 left over. 7 is odd because 7 is two groups of 3 with 1 left over. 4 in 2024 is even because 4 is split into two groups of 2. Now, if you would like an extension and to exercise your brain, I would like you to think about what happens when you add two even numbers together. So let's think of two even numbers. 4 plus 2 equals 6. What do you notice about the answer 6? Is it odd or even? 8 plus 0. What do you notice about the answer 8? Is it odd or even? Can you do some more examples and see if it always works? What happens when you add an odd and even number together? So 3 plus 4. 3 is odd and 4 is even. 3 plus 3 is 6. One more left is 7. Oh, the one more is left over. So is 7 odd or even? 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 7 is odd, 2 is even. Is 9 odd or even? Again, can you do some more examples? So recap, a final remembering session. This is our last little bit. Even numbers, they split into pairs and their last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Odd numbers, they leave one out and there's always one left over. They end in 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Great work. I've got some numbers around the edge. Can you work out these quickly, whether they're odd or even? High five. A great session today. Can't wait till next time. And if you would like another lot of challenge, check out below and I've got some activities for you to do.